Alors, it started like this, and this is where we are now. We have been invited to visit the GEKA factory. They're specialists in makeup accessories. They do mascara, but they also do concealer brushes and lip gloss brushes. They are the specialists in liquid cosmetics. And they've invited us to see how and what's the behind the scene of the industry. So you understand that this brush is not that simple to make.
And it starts with the plastic pellets that are melted and molded into these little mascara brushes. This took years of innovation and R&D to be able to find the right shape, the right resin to be able to mold into what you need for mascara for application. And you can see, depending on the flexibility that you need, you will have a very different brush at the end. This is the twisted wire brush. This is the initial technology. This is the historic knowledge where they were developing twisted wire brushes for cleansing purposes, but they've miniaturized this knowledge into mascara brushes, as you can see here. And they've developed also their own laboratory for fibers, because I don't know if you're aware, but plastic doesn't capture formula as well as natural fiber would do. When I mean natural fiber, I mean animal fiber, but we don't use animal fiber anymore. We just use plastic, but it's smooth. So they have their own laboratory to be able to develop the right fiber to capture everything. And they don't just do fibers or mascara, they also do all of the packaging that go with your mascara. They go the cap, they do the wand, they do the body, and they do all of the decoration in this facility. Before, it would be different jobs separate into different factories, and now it's just in one place. And they also have the quality check, because they want to make sure that the product that is ordered or comes out of the packaging will be exactly the one that ordered by the clients. And all of this machine is like watching a ballet. And did you know that actually 2.4 billion units of mascara are sold annually across under 20 countries, which represents 6.5 million units every day, or 75 mascara sold every second. I think mascara is the biggest beauty product on the globe. And here you can see all of the decoration facilities, the serigraphy, the hot stamping, and at the end, this little machine will just capture everything, pack into a cardboard boxes that will be sent to the customer logistics center. And they don't just do manufacturing, they also do recycling everything that will be incorporated back into the machine for mascara making or sent to recycling center depending on the resin, the PP, the HDP, and separate for recycling. And did you know that GEKA, they offer 15,000 combination of brushes, mascara that you want, because they have their own facility. And they also not just do mascara, but they do concealer, they do lip product, they do everything to beautify the customer. So you're not at rest when it comes to beauty.